Hello travelers, today I'm cleaning all the stickers that I've had to buy over this past season, and I'm stuck all over my windshield and they leave this residue when you peel them off. That one's all the way from 2016. I had 3 or 4 here and another one down there, and so it's just time to clean this up. So I'm using isopropyl alcohol, just plain rubbing alcohol, and a little cottony pad, and just, you just take your time, just work them off. See, works pretty good. Wish me luck with that one though. It's very gooey. This big one was kind of stubborn, so I'm having to use a bigger, one of those sanitary wipe things, hand wipe, and soaked it with the alcohol. And I got this little scraper that I had in my tool shed, and just, taking it off gently. Okay, I got it all off. Now I have a nice clean window. I do need to just do a regular cleaning with some Windex. I've got some bug remains on here. God rest their souls. Anyway, a lot better, huh? Got one I gotta go do on the other side. So I'll finish that up. That'll be another project down.